the nice thing about John Dan Salvador. Has a steady 14 to 16-foot jump shot. Big man with that jump shot. Laking tulong talaga.
Ayun. Naka-forma rin, naka-discarte na maganda si Wesley Wilson against Reda Relini, getting the pass inside. At medyo pinakan sa kaliwa. Pinakan sa kanan. And we're tied again at 6. Kirby. Sinaksak sa loob. Following jumper is no good. Kenny Williams para sa rebound. Here's Danik Miranda. Up to Bitoy Umalon. Kinabas ulit kay Miranda to Espino. Wide open shot. Alam mo yan, maganda ngayon sa mga player, ano, mga matatangkad tulad ni Dennis Espino at ni Kirby. Pero medium range shot. Importante yun eh. Hindi yung puro sa ilalim ng titira dahil kung merong mga Reda Relini na nandyan, paano ka?
Saktong-eksakto with the 7-footers for the Fiesta Conference. You have to have that shot. And right there naman, ito si Peter Jun Simon. You have to know that he's gonna attack you even if it's very early in the offense. Yung ginawa niya na naman, this is the super sub of Deerfield.
Kelly Williams still can't get it to go. Lanete. Orbucanon, mataas. Si Chico Lanete. Mayroong gabi ha. Sa ating mga amigos sa Ormoc. Raimundo scores on the spin.
That's just been a nice matchup all throughout. Unang mga pagkakataon, hindi makascore itong si Kirby Raimundo. Finally got enough space to put up that jump hook. That's a prime matchup right there with Kirby Raimundo. And of course, ang bumabantay sa kanya is
Dennis.
Kelly Williams.
Ngayon si Dennis naman tumira against Kirby pero hindi pumasok. Lanete. Relini. Oy! Ganda naman. Nilusot na niya si Wilson. Naiwan na lang eh. Alright, it is a 4-point lead para sa Purebrooks Giants at 12-8. At ito yung lusot ni Reda Relini just before this timeout.